everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on or off your PlayStation 5 Pro with just the power button right here. So if you just press the power button once, this is going to turn it on, and you're going to see this blue light indicating it's turning on. Now if you want to completely turn this off, you have to hold down this power button for at least 3 or 4 seconds, and you'll hear 2 different beeps and it will turn off. So I can see it's on my screen right now. Let's hold this button down. So I heard the 1 beep, and then I should hear a second beep. Like 2 seconds later, I heard that second beep, and I can see this blinking white light right here. And my PlayStation 5 Pro will be completely turned off, and now it will be safe to transport or unplug. Now, if you want to put it into the rest mode, instead of holding down the power button, what you want to do is just press it once. And this will put it into rest mode where you can download updates and have everything in the background just install on you. So you can decide which one you want to put it in by pressing this power button. So I can see my PlayStation is on, and I can just press this once now, and then it should enter rest mode. So pressed it once, and rest mode is going to be indicated by an orange light right here, or red depending on your color deficiency. So I can still see it blinking white. So technically my PlayStation 5 Pro will still be on, but it's just in rest mode. So if you unplug it right now, you'll get some sort of pop-up warning next time you plug in your PlayStation 5 Pro. So here's the orange light right here, a red light. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.